title, thumbnail, everything is empty, and now it's also empty. What I'm going to teach, let's say you have this web page. Almost all part of a page is empty. Upon clicking on button, see, something is popping out, something is filling out the page. It look attracting, right? What if I tell you can learn this even though you don't have a previous knowledge of JavaScript, like to make the pages dynamic? See, if I click on styling, something is happening, right? See, the background. So you can create like this. And let's say you have one page, let's say it's a IMDb page. Okay. See, the title is IMDb ratings, reviews, and right. I'll just inspect this page. This is the title. It's stored in a title, right? See, title. What if I change this title? I'll just use inner HTML and whatever the title like JK CoDEVERSE. See, the IMDb page, the title is changed. You can learn all these things like you can create your web pages and make it as a dynamic using JavaScript. Link for this playlist like JavaScript for web development playlist in our description. Thank you.